Stomach is the most dilated part of the alimentary canal. It's in between the esophagus and the duodenum. It's a muscular bag. It's roughly J-shaped organ. But the shape of the stomach is considerably vary whether it's full or empty, with the position of the body, with the body habitus, and with the stage of the respiration. Here we have the fundus, body, pyloric antrum, and pyloric canal. Here, the first orifice, the gastroesophageal junction, the cardia, does not have a specific sphincter. There are some physiological mechanisms which prevent the gastric reflux to the esophagus. But here, the pylorus, the gastroduodenal junction, has a specific sphincter which is made by the thickening of the middle circular muscles. Okay, so there will be a sphincter, specific sphincter in the pylorus. Okay, the sphincter is demarcated externally by a vein. The vein is called as prepyloric vein of Meyer. So, at the level of the pyloric sphincter, there will be a vein like this. Is called as prepyloric vein of Meyer.